We're in Yorba Linda today at a property that's situated at the end of a private drive on a completely flat 25,000 square foot lot. This ranch-style home offers 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and just over 2,000 square feet of living space. There's really a lot you could do on this lot. Not only does it already have a putting green, tennis court, detached garage, garden, and fruit trees galore, there's room for an ADU, RV parking, and more. Welcome to Nightingale Lane.